Steve! What'd you say? Been a second since I rode the R1. It feels very weird. It's so much lighter than the H2. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back with another video with you guys, with the R1M. Gonna be going meeting it up with two more. Oh, there's a GTR over there. Oh, I need gas. And Nismo. Oh, golds. White Nismo, that's goals, guys. Distracted by that beautiful Nismo. I was saying that we're going to meet up with a couple more people, my other friend on the older Gen S1000 and another R1. I just realized we're going to have two BMWs and two R1s, and we're just going to figure out somewhere to ride to. Something a little chill and fun. Up this little monster. In comparison to the H2 only, of course.
I don't ride as much as you do. I need to release more energy.
I feel you.
Take some photos next time.
I think somebody texted me that they're there.
Go find out.
I miss my kitty. Oh, Huracan too. Nice. More people than I expected. What's up, man? Okay, nice to meet you, man. What's up, bro? Okay. Nice to meet you, bro. Okay, nice to meet you, man. Whew. Slow boy!
Got you 2 bikes. I don't know who they are.
Steve!
There you go, guys. I'm on YouTube right now.
Oh, man.
Are you recording? Oh, hell
yeah.
Okay, we're doing street, so everybody tap slower. Huh? And tap slower.
What'd you say? First time back on the canyons. Took it really, you know, chill, relaxed. Come on, Mini Cooper. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I miss it. Keep it quiet since the popo is right there. I saw that. They're at the light before us. There he is. This was the first time I actually opened up the R1 with this helmet. And okay, I can totally like tell you guys that it is pretty loud. Like way louder than I expected. Oh, it's warm in here. Me like.
Are we parking here?
Yeah.
Not there? You gotta walk all the way there?
Bruh, it's right there.
Bruh.
It's right there. You can walk right there. Hey, don't be a bunch of lazy f***s. Come on.
By the elevator, why are we walking?
Say bye. Say bye. Bye. PG-13, Steve. Peace out.